Hey guys, welcome back. I've been working on something really special. For the whole month of October, I'll be posting a video every single day. For today's video, I'll show you how to make this cute Halloween ghost ornament. You can first make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For round 2, increase all the way around. For round 3, do 1 single crochet and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. For round 4, do 2 single crochets and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. For rounds 5 to 11, single crochet all the way around. For round 12, do 2 single crochets and a decrease, and repeat that all the way around. If you're using safety eyes, you can place them between rounds 11 and 12. For round 13, do a single crochet and a decrease, and repeat that all the way around. For round 14, do a single crochet and an increase, and repeat that all the way around. For rounds 15 to 17, single crochet all the way around. For round 18, do 1 single crochet and a decrease, and repeat that all the way around. For round 19, decrease all the way around. For round 20, increase all the way around. For round 21, single crochet all the way around. For round 22, do 2 decreases and single crochet in the next 8 stitches. For round 23, do 2 decreases and single crochet in the last 6 stitches. For round 24, do 2 decreases and single crochet in the last 4 stitches. For the last round, decrease twice and single crochet in the last 2 and then fasten off. Now we'll work on the arms. Make a magic circle with 6 single crochets in it. For rounds 2 to 4, single crochet all the way around. Finish off and make a second arm the same way. Now sew the arms to the body. You can leave your ghost like this or embroider a small smile. And lastly, you can leave him like this or take a spare bit of white yarn and add a small loop at the top so you can hang him. And there you have a cute little ghost ornament to hang up on your trees outside or in your house for around Halloween time. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!